So if you want to connect your soundbar to your own Roku 4K Smart TV and get better sound fast, so here's the simple way to do it, whether using HDMI ARC or optical cable. And you have to remember, Roku TVs do not support Bluetooth soundbars. So start by plugging your soundbar into power, turning it on. Now you have to choose the cable you want to use. You can use the HDMI ARC, it's recommended, but optical also works. So if you're using HDMI ARC, plug the HDMI cable into the ARC port on your soundbar. So now take the other end to the cable and plug it into the HDMI ARC port on the back of your Roku TV. I recommended this one because this connection gives you the best sound and lets you control volume with the Roku remote. So if you're using an optical cable, plug it into the optical port on your soundbar. Then you have to connect the other end to the optical port on your Roku TV. So first I'm trying by HDMI ARC. So when it's connected properly, your Roku TV might show a pop-up saying the new audio device is detected. So just confirm the process and set it up properly. But if you can't get any pop-up appears, you can still choose the correct audio output. So from your settings on your Roku TV, go to the audio and then select audio output. You will see a few options: HDMI ARC, optical, TV speakers, or auto. If you use HDMI ARC, choose HDMI ARC or set it to auto, and Roku will detect your soundbar automatically. If you use optical, select optical manually. And remember, with optical, you cannot control volume using the Roku TV remote. You must have to use the soundbar's remote. Make sure it's not set to Bluetooth because Roku TVs won't output sound to optical if Bluetooth is selected. And that's it. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy powerful, rich, and faster sound from your favorite movies, shows, and music. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.